SIBIONO Mango Heat Pump Dryer. Equipped with 14 trolleys and 336 trays. Batch input of 1,000 kilograms of fresh mango. Batch output of 350 kilograms of dried mango. Each tray is fitted with a silicone mat to prevent mango from sticking to the tray. This machine features a 25 horsepower heat pump, delivering 120 kWh of heat per hour and achieving 75-90 LD watering capacity per hour. The heat pump provides an air circulation rate of 64,000 cubic meters per hour, enabling rapid dehydration of mango in a 65-75°C drying chamber, producing golden dried mango slices, drying at 50-75 Celsius the best texture. Welcome to explore SIBIONO Fruit Dryer.